Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I wanted to share how I got some really good deals on these tools. And when I say good deals, I mean I got this one for free and also got this one for free. This is how the deal starts. They have this $99 battery kit. When you purchase this kit, you get a range of free tools. I went with the rotary tool and the inflator. Now, original prices on these, this is $79. I got it for free. This one is $89. I got it for free. And this is my second battery kit that I purchased. And what I've been doing basically to get the deal on these and just keep buying more and more tools. Once I buy this and I go and get one of these for free, I take this kit and I sell it on eBay. I was able to sell this one on eBay and the last one that I had for $70 and $75. After shipping and eBay fees, I'm going to make about $50 to $55 off of this battery kit. So basically, after I sell these tools, I can keep getting at a discounted price. So this inflator was regularly $79.99. Once I get my $50 back on this tool only comes out to $30-something. Same with this one. Once I get my money back from the batteries, then I get this tool for $40. They also have the $179 kit, which comes with two 4-amp batteries, the charger, and the bag. And you can get some bigger tools with that one. And a lot of the tools, some of them are the old ones, which nobody's going to be interested in anyways. At least I wasn't. For example, they have the old hacksaw, which is brushed. It's not a brushless hacksaw. And they also have the old brushed impact driver. So yeah, if you're interested in any of these tools, right now is the time to go get them. You know, if you don't feel like going to all the trouble to sell them, even, you know, if you pay $100 for this battery kit and you don't have any batteries already, then it's still a really good deal. You're getting something that's almost $100 for free just by buying batteries. Clearly in the store right now, these are about $50 a piece, plus you're getting a free charger in a bag. So yeah, I appreciate you checking out the video. Stay tuned. I'll be sharpening my head trimmer blades with this one, and I'll do a demo on this one, showing you how good it works with the car tires.